Angles in a linear pair. Let's see what are angles in linear pair. So angles which have a common arm and whose other arms form a straight line are said to be angles in linear pair. Now see this angle PQR So these two angles have QR as a common arm, and the remaining two arms of both the angles form a straight line. So such angles are said to be angles in linear pair, and the measure of these two angles comes to 180. Means these angles in linear pair are also supplementary angles. Let us solve practice set 19. Draw the pair of angles as described below. If not, that is not possible, say why. The first one is we have to draw a complementary angles that are not adjacent. Means here they have given two conditions. The angle should be complementary, but they should not adjacent. So complementary means the measure of both the angles, the sum of measurement of both the angles should come to 90 degrees. So you can draw any two angles of of a measure such that the addition of both the angles should be 90 degrees. So I have taken over a 30 degree angle and 60 degree angle. So that 30 and 60 comes to 90, and they should be not adjacent, means they should be not neighboring angles. They should be separate two angles. That's why I have drawn two separate angles of different measurements such that the sum of the measurements come to 90 degree. You can take 50 degree angle and 40 degree angle. You can take 45 and 45. You can take 20 degree and 70 degree. The sum should be 90 degree. Here there is no need of constructing the angle with the protector and all. You can draw a rough diagram. Just you have to show the measurement properly. Means the measurement of two angles should comes to 90 degree. It's second one, angles in linear pair which are not supplementary. So here we have to draw angles in linear pair. Angles in linear pair means those who are of the measurement 180 degree, but 180 degree means supplementary angles. So these conditions will not be satisfied because angles in linear pairs are supplementary angles. That's why we cannot draw this angle. So what's the answer? Not possible, because the angles in linear pairs are always supplementary angles. Let's go for the next sum. Complementary angles that do not form a linear pair. Now you have to draw two complementary angles. Complementary angles means 90 degree angles. The sum of measure of two angles should be 90 degree, and they should not form a linear pair. So linear pair means they should not form 180 degree angle. So these two separate angles I have drawn over here. Sum number 4, adjacent angles which are not in a linear pair. Adjacent angles mean neighboring angles you have to draw, but they should not in a linear pair. They should not form 180 degree angle. You can show less than 180, whatever degree angle you want to show you can show, but it should be less than 180. So I have drawn these two adjacent angles. Then next sum is angles which are neither complementary nor adjacent. So the two angles should not be complementary, means then measurement should not be 90. They can be either smaller than 90 or greater than 90, and they should be not adjacent. So these two angles, if you measure both the angles, it will come to 110, which is greater than 90. So one condition is satisfied. Plus second one, they have told that they should be not adjacent, means they should be not neighboring angles. That's why we have drawn two separate angles. Here we do not need to construct the angle of the given measurement. You have to draw roughly the measurement and write the correct measurement over here.